I hope the starter fluid does the job. What you think? The starter fluid gonna do it?
I mean, that at least, if it'll pull the pop or something, that at least let us know that it will start.
I mean, you a bad motherfucker. Oh, shit. Yes, sir, man. We done finally got this joint on the road. Hopefully it start right up, man. Oh, let me go on the other side. My man's Ollie.
I'll start that motherfucker, man.
We about to right now, man. The homie be coming through. Fuel pump. Oh, it sounds gonna be a lot of smoke. It's trying to start for sure.
All right, hold up. There's some spark plug wires on the right spark plug.
Let me,
There's your gas peacock hooked up.
The gas peacock for sure hooked up. I know I barely got some gas, so I might gotta add some.
I need to put some gas in it, because it's for sure cranking hard in the motherfucker. Don't kill the battery trying to crank it.
No, for sure. I got a whole thing of gas. I'm gonna put some gas in right now.
But it should have started right there.
Oh, hold on. Let me make sure all this shit is on here. All right, we got some gas in this joint. Let's hopefully we can get this first start up. Got gas. Gas still coming through. It's way louder on the fuel. This motherfucker. Ready to crank the fuck over. So what could it be now? What could it be?
What's coil wires is on what?
Let me double check it. No, I just double checked it. Let me go back to it so I can show you real quick. And I hope the starter fluid does the job. What you think? The starter fluid gonna do it?
I mean, that at least, if it'll pull the pop or something, that at least let us know that it will start. If it don't at least pull the pop, then we need to check some more shit.
All right, we're gonna try that out right now, see how it work out. Fuel, I said I'm about to try it out right now, see how it work out. I got the fuel pump on, tail lights working, headlight hidden. I mean, you a bad motherfucker. Oh, shit. Ali, you a bad motherfucker, bro.
Back up, I need to make sure the oil light go off and all that.
All right, damn, that's crazy. He told me, he said when you get it started, it's gonna pop a lot. And now I see what he was talking about. That's fucking crazy. All right,
it probably need to be tuned.
Nah, it do. That's why we're trying to get it to the dyno right now. That's the whole thing, is to get it started, try to get it to the dyno.
That's why I didn't even want to start, because it's not purging enough in here to say start up. Just the first start.
Yeah, damn, that's crazy.
Now you hit the button, it might start up every time.
Nah, you right. That's crazy. All that troubleshooting definitely came through. That's fucking crazy. Damn, that's crazy. There goes nothing. Cut on and cut off.
You cut on and cut off?
Yeah.
Alright, start it again. I'm trying to see something. You're gonna hit it with some starter fluid again.
Huh?
Give it some gas when you're cranking it.
Alright, but what the fuck coming out of the fucking breather?
That's oil. That nigga motor doing some touching, bro.
It ain't even oil, it's like clear. I think that's a starter fluid probably.
It might be.
Cause I
sprayed a whole lot.
I'm not gonna lie, I sprayed some through the filter because it's PM shit hard.
Oh.
Alright.
Start it again.
Okay. Give me some more gas. Huh?
Keep it running. You gotta get all the air bubbles off the line.
Okay.
Yeah, motherfucker need to be tuned.
That's for sure.
It need to be tuned.
That's crazy. Let me open the garage. This motherfucker. That's crazy though. It smells like some fucking. It's just like a lot of fumes in this motherfucker. This shit is hella crazy. That nigga did say like it's gonna be hella loud. Fuel pump.
That's that D&D on here.
Nah, that's for sure.
Grab some star fluid again, just a little bit.
Alright. You ready?
Yeah, you need to check that fuel pressure.
He got
Be able to check that fuel pressure.
that gauge that be on the side.
Huh?
That gauge that be on the side. Yes, sir, man. We back up out here the next day. We're about to get the truck cleaned up. We got this thing super dirty. As y'all can see, man, we've been moving and grooving everywhere in this joint, getting a lot of work done. So today is about to be the day, man. We're about to go ahead and wash this thing up and knock all this dirt and trash off, man. We're about to get this thing ready to give away, y'all. We done cleaned out the inside. Got this thing spick and span, getting it ready to go, man. Yes, sir. We're about to clean it up. Get this thing iced up. Y'all see what's going on. This thing's super dirty, look. Super dirty. We're about to get it right, though. This thing's super dirty. I can't wait, man. We've been putting this thing to work, getting it in. It's about to be time, though, man. We on them things. Yes, sir. I can't wait. I'm telling y'all. That bike on the back about to be wet. The frame doctor just talked to me today too. So just know if you enter to win into the Silver Bullet giveaway, we should be picking that bike up this week. We already got the full paint set inside of the garage. We got the rims on the way at the powder coat shop. All we waiting on is our tires and grading this, man. So make sure you get in today at $25. I'm trying to sell out ASAP and go live by New Year's if we can. So let's get in the win and make it happen, man. But y'all see what's going on. We about to wash the truck up and get this thing looking good, man. We're gonna get a full tune-up on this thing this week, so stay tuned, y'all. I'm telling y'all, we sliding, not hiding. Yes, sir, man. I know it's dark. We done finally got the truck cleaned up. But I'm telling y'all, I'm really trying to get this giveaway over with. I know some of y'all are hella impatient, but y'all gotta be y'all gotta be open-minded that everybody's not a believer how some of y'all are when it comes to me doing my work with these Harleys. Some people don't like to see the bike disassembled until it's fully complete so they can get a better understanding. And that's cool. I'm not against it. I know how it is because you're kind of skeptical, but shout out to the ones who believe in me and trust the process still entering. I'm gonna go ahead and upload this video today so I can hurry and get this message out there to all of y'all. I'm trying to really go live this New Year's, this week, possible, if we can fill in all the spots. But just know I am all in, ready to go. We got the truck juiced up, looking good. We only got a certain amount of spots left. The bike is about to be complete. I should get it this week before the week is up. I should have it back in my hands. I literally have the whole complete paint set in the garage. The rims is at the powder coat shop. So everything is about to come together, y'all. I'm telling y'all. At first I was gonna take the frame off, which I want to do, but I honestly may just throw everything on there because I have everything on hand, meaning literally that bike could be running and sliding this weekend. So just understand that everything on there is up to par, up to date. We got the bars, everything is cool. So if we can get that bike running and complete this weekend, that means the truck and this bike will be out of here riding and sliding. I'm telling y'all, it's game time. We got the 2015 about to be done tomorrow. I literally got the 2003 anniversary Roadking started today, man. So I'm telling y'all, stay tuned and get in to win it, man. We are getting it in, making it happen. I'm telling y'all, I got so much I was about to come to the channel, but we got to work with what we got right now to elevate ourselves. But like I said, I appreciate everybody who believe in your boy in the process, man, because I'm telling y'all, I know some people would just be skeptical, but we ain't doing nothing but legitimate stuff, man. Y'all see what it is, man. We got the truck looking good, juiced up. You can't see it too much because it's dark, but tomorrow we'll get a good glimpse of it. I just had to clean it because we've been getting so much work in, and y'all already know, man, this truck is going to do the job every time on time, man. That's why we had to get it right real fast, but y'all see what's going on, man. Make sure y'all get in to win it, man. $25 today only. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got the inside cleaned up, looking good, ready to go, man. All we need is one of y'all to come get it, man. It's about to be y'all pulling up to the headquarters, getting the bike and the truck real soon. I'm telling y'all, man, it looked like nothing right now, but just know one of y'all about to really be at the house riding and sliding in the truck. We may even go take the boat out and go slide one time, man. We may be back to back on them bikes. You never know, man, but I'm telling y'all, whoever wins this, we're going to definitely get a hell of an experience in while you here, because I'm telling y'all, it's game time. It's game time, and I can't wait to go up and make it what it need to be. But like I said, get in and win it, man. We sliding, not hiding. I appreciate y'all for watching and tapping in, man. Y'all already know what's going on. We working.